Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a template in Asana. So in order to do that, you need to head over right here to your workspace and then scroll down, and in here you can see this template section. Click on this new template in order to create a template, and then from in here you can just put in here a title. Like for example, let's put in here personal. So it will appear just around here, and then you can also choose in here the privacy, and then from in there click on this create template. Now, as you can see on this template that we have, you can build your project content. Like for example, you can add task. So let's put in here, let's put wash clothes. And as you can see, we have added that. You can also add another section, like for example, to do, as well as doing. And you can also add task for that. You can also add another section if you want to. And then if you're done, let's head over and let's put in here done option. As you can see, we have now this project content. Now from in here, click on this continue option, and then we can see in here the overview of our project. So for this project right here, let's put in here personal, and then let's put in here description, personal life. Now from in here, click on continue again, and then you can see in here the settings for your personal template. So you can choose in here the privacy, you can add a description, the template access, as well as to add projects to portfolio and a lot more. So from in there, click on this finish once you're done. And as you can see, it will now appear right here onto our template right there. So that's how you create a template in Asana. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.